the afflictions in our lives are necessary for the Christian walk. And this is a part we don't talk about a lot more in a lot of churches. I know PF is very real about this. He comes here and he's very vulnerable about some of the things that he deals with. So I thank God really for the leadership of this church. But is it possible that the afflictions in our lives are necessary for our Christian walk? Because if it were not for the struggles that you're going through, how else would you know that the Lord can take you from a place of brokenness to a place of victory? If it were not for the sicknesses in your life, how else would you know that the Lord is a healer? At best, your knowledge is just someone told me. Oh, I read it in the Bible. But if you've been sick before, if you've been through stuff in life, and if you live long enough, you'd realize that you're going to go through stuff. And some of these things are not the most pleasant things, amen? If it were not for life's challenges, how else would we come to know the goodness of God?